LOS shit. They thought Kanye was gonna come back and lead them to glory.
JB?
From Jesus walks to can't tell me shit. Didn't wanna be Christ, he jumped on Jim Morris's dick. Said he sold his soul for some dough and some whips. Then he lost his mama on some sacrificial shit, huh? And now y'all niggas think he really saying something. Like he broke his blood open when it found love. Nope, he was broke. 50 told him switch his style up. And if they hate to let him hate him, watch the money pile up. But Paul Wahlberg on the Federal Reserve. Bring it back. I say Paul Wahlberg on the Federal Reserve. And George Bush's real name is fucking George Sherman. Sure, nigga, look it up, just so you know the skinny. Confessed by Hitler's right hand man, Otto Skorzeny. Nazis made mind control, Bush was a guinea. Pigs can do more than fly, man, they do plenty. Made the FBI, the CIA, and all the dope. And all the motherfuckers meet at Bohemian Grove, so you know. In case you wanna stop in like Alex Jones, they be worshiping owls around fires and human bones. The same owls from the Drake video. Daddy was the drummer for the first man in the rock and roll. Hall of Fame, Jerry Lewis, take the name. Hapner also claimed he was ashamed that he sold his soul. The price of fame, he couldn't play a lick before. He conjured up a demon, met it at the crossroads. Fork in the road, a grown man that he chose. You seen it before, you know how the story go. Diddy did it to Biggie, Ray J did it to Whitney. Kim K did it with Ray J, and now she bigger than 50. Kanye used his mama, look at Lady Gaga. Sacrificed her best friend and then straight up jocked the style. Not to mention Jennifer Hudson, wow. Lost the whole fam just to lose a few pounds. See, everybody wanna be a fucking cash cow. The first one slotted after they feed you for a while. Heard this beat, and I ain't even think he's speaking out. He be speaking for the master, he like Steven in the house, nigga. It wouldn't be a Candyland without Jigga. That bitch Rihanna fetching Rockefeller house slippers. Let's say Kanye really is confessing. Tell him call the LOS for some witness protection, nigga. Huh. Man, I made this fucking mixtape for all my people out there that know the truth but fear being oppressed, man. That's the inspiration behind the LOS. Don't never fear the enemy, man. Feed evil energy.